Hey guys, this is Todd with Evolution Power Sports. I'm here to talk about air intake systems for the new Sea-Doo 325. We've developed, after numerous months of testing, we've developed an air intake system that is a direct replacement for the OEM airbox. It's a very simple installation and comes with everything you need to bolt on to your supercharged 325. This is also available for the 230 and 300 with our universal mounting kit. We've developed our own stainless spark arrestor for this application. It's a 3-inch inlet. It's got a built-in Venturi velocity stack, and we couple it with a piece of titanium into our silicone hose. This setup does an excellent job of increasing the airflow going to the supercharger. On basically a stock engine, you will see about a 50 to 75 RPM increase just by installing the air intake system. And on a tuned setup, you'll see between 150 and 175 RPMs. In some applications, when the supercharger is pushed to high boost levels, you'll see upwards of 200 RPM increase just with the air intake system. So we know the air intake system makes a significant amount of power. It's a direct replacement, and it's an easy way to add a substantial amount of power to your Sea-Doo supercharged engine. Some of the key features we talked about before. It's a 5-ply silicone wire reinforced, so it won't implode, doesn't retain heat. We use a titanium coupler to couple the silicone to the air filter. We've got a carbon fiber mounting plate. All the hardware and bracketry is stainless steel, and we've got a piece of C-deck underneath this to prevent any sort of wearing into your hull. But this is a great way to improve sound and performance on your new Sea-Doo 325 and 230 and 300 models. So check out this product as well as other new Sea-Doo products we have coming for the Sea-Doo line of watercraft at evopowersports.com.